did you find Julian's bag?
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, she found it. It was in her
It
trunk.
was in your.
Alright.
Damn it, sister.
Okay, let's start.
We're right there, Chelsea. Over there.
No
Over
more
there.
phones, guys. No more phones. Move this shit.
You guys did it.
You wanna sit down? No. Here. Just open it.
No, I could.
Go ahead.
I'll be like, hey, I'm missing the Mario thing.
Audrey, she's opening it. Want me to help you?
Oh, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah?
that's here.
You think it'll work?
What?
Return it to what? How the fuck?
It's yours.
Wow.
So pretty. Okay, smile at the camera. Smile, cheese.
Damn.
Is there any more for Riley?
What are you gonna
No.
do?
No
Wow,
more?
look what she got.
Show Mommy. Okay, Matthew, you're next. Come here.
Wow, you
This
got
is
a
from
blow
Grandma
dryer?
Yoli, okay? You should take a picture of them. Okay, go ahead. Open.
Kukunin ko na lang sa camera.
Okay, let's see what Matthew got. Watch out,
Julian!
guys.
Julian,
You can sit next to him.
Go to daddy. Okay.
Wow. Wait, yeah. After Matthew, you, okay? After Matthew. Wow. Sissy,
Yeah,
look what you got. This is so cool. Yeah, my wrap all the shit for you. Yeah, you're here next.
Show Matthew. Let me see
Show
it.
the camera. Show the camera. Say cheese. Say thank you to Kuya Julius.
Say thank you, Nanay. Nanay Yoli.
Take a picture of them later. Your turn. Is it his turn?
Hey, open this one.
That's it for them?
Wow.
Didn't mom buy them something?
No.
Didn't you get them anything? Oh, I got. Oh, no.
Is that in between the couches?
Whoa.
When did you...
That's Disney blanket.
Hey, you have a
Whoa.
new
Show Kuya. Show Kuya.
When did you... When
Thank
did you go with
you.
the trash? Why don't they just dig through the trash?
That's what I got from the thing.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the other one. No, Julius.
Upstairs. I gave it to Kuya Jules.
Okay, go help him. Help him. Share. Whoa. I forgot you got this.
Alright then, babe. I'll call you later then.
Jump
Yeah,
right
okay.
Whoa. What is this? Okay, open the box. What is that? Show mommy. You haven't seen
Slippers,
that yet.
fool.
Julius got that at the mall. That's
I
cheesy.
like it.
Show Kuya on the camera. Go cheese.
Wow.
Okay, isa
Okay,
lang.
put it back. Put it back.
Damn.
Next.
Open it. Go, open.
Go help him. I know.
He's just opening.
Baby, you open so much, yes? Here you go. Start it. Girl, you need to wait. Hold on. There you go. Rip the paper.
Hey, baby boy's calling.
Hello? Whoa.
Show ito, kuya.
Yeah, we just started.
Wow.
I like it. I'll be there right after.
Goofy. Jay.
Kaya ito, unahin mo na.
The
What is that?
shoes, fool. Adidas.
Data.
Another one.
Goofy. Disney.
Disney.
Wow.
Yeah, if they're not gonna wait, yeah, just give it to her right now.
All right. What else? What's going on?
Okay, open it.
Again? Kanina man yung galing.
Chelsea ata.
No, that's from Sean's mom.
Sean's mouth. Open it. This one first.
Okay. Okay, we're almost done.
Stop picking on your shit, bro. That's why it's getting worse.
Whoa, what is
Getting like
that?
Adrian, I'm getting it under.
Because of the mask.
Say
It's
thank
the mask.
you.
Look at my face. Right here, it's clear, right?
You have two.
Look at this.
Here's
One
one more.
more.
That's from the mask.
Fully bag.
You're You and Libag and shit,
Mom,
man.
where can I
I
get
know.
another chain from? Huh?
Tingnan mo.
What is
How
that?
much?
Oh my goodness, you got a garbage truck.
That's your future.
That's fucked up.
Here's one more.
No.
Here, wait. Let me take a picture of you.
Regalo
picture.
kukunin mo.
Let me
Yung
see.
blanket.
Go sit down. Say cheese.
Is McDonald's open today?
Yeah.
Cheese. Let me see. Let me see the teeth.
Put the thing here.
Thank you,
The
baby.
trash.
Mom gave me a big ass bag. I mean, a big ass bag.
Oh, here.
Lagay mo dito, tatapon mo.
Hey, who's this
Oh.
from?
Them.
Julia,
Hey,
sa
these are cool.
O, sama mo to, ito mo to.
I know. Who's gonna fucking dirty that shit?
open it.
Look at that.
Open it, Riley, for you guys.
Face the camera, guys.
Yan yung binili natin kung ano doon sa tablet.
Whoa, this is not even one soap.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that?
Here, one more.
Is that for you or for Jay?
For Jay. Go move there, move.
Move in the
So he
middle.
could bully more people, huh?
What is the SWI crafting? Is that next?
Yeah, wala.
Alright, Riley, this is your last one opening. The next one he has to open by
Is that all for Jay?
Yeah.
So, this is the last.
Oh.
Hey, Matthew, watch them open gifts. Probably with their phone.
Matthew, help me pick up the trash. Over there. Put it in the bag. Thank you. You too, Rara. What do you say? Say thank you. He said, I want to play.
Okay, this is the last, Julia.
Okay, this one. Okay, stay with me so
Yan na ba yung ano, yung for main events?
Okay, ready?
For main event.
Sit down here. Sit down.
Sit on the middle.
Okay, right, you need to move so quick because you don't
Okay,
touch.
move.
Maddie, this
Move.
is his
So
present.
they can see.
You need to let him open it by himself.
No.
It's
Audrey
fine.
is gonna cry.
What are you
Go
crying
back.
for?
I just told him to move.
To go that way.
What is my nice? Now it's broken.
Okay, baby.
Go open.
She doesn't even see it.
This is, look.
Julius, he doesn't move. What's that?
What's that, baby?
Switch.
Open mo.
Oh!
Here.
I'll keep it.
He kicked that shit.
Look.
Bibi, look!
Jay, you got a new switch!
Switch to baby.
Oh my goodness.
Did you get also the Fortnite?
It's the bundle. Oh, Audrey?
Yeah.
Gonna open.
Are you
Wow!
happy?
Ay, dami.
Say cheese.
Tupot lagay mo dito sa pinanggalingan.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
You know, open
Like
it
a
now.
switch?
Oh, give it to daddy.
Here.
Yellow!
Come here, baby.
Ba't di mo kasi tinry-switch ng isa?
You don't need for what, Mom?
Abi, kahit na. Ay,
Just
kita mo
let it
to.
char- There's two right there. There's another
Eh,
one.
kung ayaw niya lang, sunod niya. Tanga.
No,
Now
show
he
it, Julia.
doesn't have a game. He only has Super Mario Bros.
Cheese, sissy. Cheese.
Okay, go play with Jake. We just let me see the other Switch. I can play Smash Bros with this guy.
Okay.
Okay, are we doing the big people now?
All right. Go, kids. Hey, kids, go over there. Smile.
Usog mo yung buko muna. Oh, ito, may gamit ko sila na. Lagay mo lahat doon, sa doon. Sa
Whose
ibabaw
game
ng
is this?
scooter.
Sean.
Tell that fool let me borrow it.
Buy it. fool.
What?
He hasn't touched his Switch in the whole year. Julian had that shit all year.
Yeah,
That's
I know.
a good
but I'm
color.
just asking for this game.
Oh, I don't know. You play your new Switch. Sit here. You.
Oh wait,
Hey,
meron
look.
pa yung kay Julia. Last one kay Julia. Julia.
What's wrong, Jake?
Here, baby.
That's not yours.
Baby.
Jay, I see a red card.
Oh my God, you have
Oh,
one. Ako
shoot.
din yan.
Can I cut this?
Okay,
Yeah.
you get it
Who's it from?
from Nanay.
From nanay.
Ayaw.
I'll keep it.
Okay, can I have
Wow, how many beats?
200.
Hana! 100.
Can I have
Wow.
50?
Ayan yung
Okay,
pang
no more. Go there.
Pang-1.
Paano ko yan? Pang babysit.
What do you want?
Oh, speaking of
Dalawa na.
yeah, and then
You want card?
All right, go. Who's next?
I'll give it out. June first.
I'm going first.
Yes.
Wow.
Don't forget this.
I got
It's the
a.
most expensive.
Which one? Oh, the
Which one?
Julius can go
Oh.
next, so my mom can get her. Oh, do you don't have a present because you already did it?
Oh, why'd you tell me? I would have just brought it.
This was brought in yesterday, but you didn't even show
The
it.
what?
You told me not to show nobody, stupid.
Because fool, that bag looks stupid as hell.
Who sweats?
I bought him sweats.
The blue ones, remember, Kuya?
Oh.
Did you get it?
Your car?
I feel like this is a squeezy thing.
You wanna open?
Sounds good, bro.
Okay, we will open
Stussy,
that.
man.
But it's one of one.
Present.
Wow.
We'll get that Kuya, Kuya.
Okay, you
Thank
open, Mommy.
you.
Do you like it?
Get the
Yeah.
party.
When I saw that shirt, I just thought
Let
it
me
was.
see, what is
Is
it?
it the flower?
Yeah, the Binandito.
Wow.
You're a
Everything
large,
flower.
right?
Where'd you
Yeah.
get that?
Kay Kuba. Kuba daw yung kaya kay Taba.
Okay,
Oh,
thanks.
that's fire, bro.
And you got socks. Period. The next one is
Oh, wait,
for
can you-
Julius.
Kuya, look, I got a sword.
We have present.
Baby,
Thanks. Oh, I have another one.
when me and Kuya are playing, hold on.
Oh, from mom?
Yeah,
Oh, we're doing like whoever gave out first.
Oh, okay.
It's for Julie. Kanino galing yan? Me and
What do you want? What do you want, Kuya? Sister?
Mom, sweatpants.
I'm defeated.
Thank
No,
you.
it's just,
Is this so sick?
it was supposed to be undefeated, but it was undefeated.
Wow, dude,
What do
you
you
got
want?
super lot of
Mushroom?
sweatpants this year.
Josie, give her
Thank you.
mushrooms.
I got it. Oh,
You wanna open?
who's next?
Wait. Was that it?
Dude,
No, that's from you and Julius.
you only have two?
Ako magbukas.
No, wait.
I'm bored.
No, girl, that's... Ay, sa'yo pala. Who's next?
Oh
Julius.
my god.
I'll go
Julius,
next.
You give it up.
I'll go next.
Okay, it's Julius' turn.
Wow.
I wonder
what this is. Damn, my teeth better be white as hell after this.
Go, go, go. Play there.
What brand is that?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
The one that costs
Just
Sonic. Yeah. Ay, shit.
That's why they didn't want me to buy it.
That's what Sonic's mom.
If I bought it, would it make me refund the
Maganda yan. It's for preschoolers.
Thanks.
Okay, this for Chelsea.
Here, babe. You're welcome. I wonder what this is. I wrapped this. Hindi ko alam loob? No, I forgot. Can I rip the box? Wow.
Something.
Oh, just look. Dang.
What is that?
The bag I asked for.
Oh, wow.
Harry, I'm gonna wear this shit today. Okay, who's next? Oh, Mom.
You have too much.
Mommy's
too
good.
much
Akin yan?
bags.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Damn, mom has a lot this year.
I know. Fuck.
My mom, I got you the cologne.
We got you the cologne. The fuck?
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, twins.
Let me see.
Let me get the credit this year.
Oh, wow. Twins.
Oh, ito pa.
Wow.
Oh, ito, para kay nanay.
Ay, para sa akin?
Dang!
Money.
Wow. We're gonna buy Jamba Juice today.
Oh my God.
Let me see. Let me close
Whoa,
up.
whoa, let me see.
Whoa. What's coochie?
Okay, smile. Wait.
Pakita mo yung mukha.
Smile.
Smile.
Wait, hold on. Di pa wala akong ipeg. Smile. Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3. You look like you want
Oh,
to.
shoot.
I know. Huh?
Beating you up.
Sorry, wala akong regalo sa'yo kasi maarte ka bigyan. I'm dead.
We'll open yours that you bought.
I know. Ubusan ko ba to? Yes, girl.
Hey, don't rip it like the Chanel.
I know. Like yung paper. That was $100 wrapping paper. Wow, I wonder what's in there.
Mom, what'd you get?
I don't know.
Don't rip
Ah,
it.
you won! Oh my god, you won!
Uh-oh. Oh my god, I see a
Whoa,
brown
what is
bag.
that?
What is that?
Just
My
a
eyes are
Wow. Wow.
Mookie. Mookie, babe.
That's guess.
That's right.
Let me see. Let me see the G.
Okay, tell
Wow.
Thank you, baby.
Ratatouille.
I'll play in a beach.
What's next?
You? Tapos ka na.
Julius's turn.
Susunod ko na to.
Open the Nordstrom.
Oh wait, kanina ba?
That's from your mom.
Okay, this is
Oh wait, for Audrey. Why don't you give Audrey?
Ay, kay Audrey pala.
Audrey, this is for you. Just an envelope, because you're a baby.
Open it.
All you need is cash. Mom and Julius.
Thanks, guys.
Open it. How much is
Open
it?
it.
Oh, it's $5.
I don't want to.
Open it.
I would've done it.
What's the other gifts?
Wow.
Oh, that's for
Thank
my
you,
friend.
guys.
It's just about
Why don't you just buy me some shoes?
Okay. Okay.
I should have asked for money.
Pinag bukas ba nito?
Ikaw, sa'yo.
Okay, this is mine.
This is mine from me.
For my mom.
Thanks,
Oh,
Mom.
from your mommy.
Thanks, Mom, for the drug money.
Period. From me, no. Dinagdagan mo yan, Lord. From mom and mom.
Hey, Kuya, what'd you get?
To mom.
The shirts and the toothbrush.
Wow.
Oh, you got. What is that?
Gucci watch.
Rolex?
Gucci watch.
What the fuck?
They're Gucci'd out, my
Let me see
nigga.
that. Let me see that. Is that real?
Yes.
Sorry.
Let me see it.
Ah, Nordstrom.
Hey, hey.
Go like this. Go like
Wait,
this.
wait. What?
Wow.
Let me see.
Wow.
Damn, I see the snake, bro.
Yeah, snake, Pogi. That's high. Look at Daddy's watch. Look at Daddy's watch. Look, there's a snake. There's a snake in his watch.
Hey,
Yeah, that shit heavy. Look, huh?
let me see that. Oh, you got diamonds? Yo, how much
God
was
bless
it?
you.
11.
1100?
Okay, wait a minute.
You like it?
Julius, can you help them put it together? I don't know how.
All right, that's all,
There's
folks.
stickers. Ay, katita mo pala yan.
Bye.
And peace, say peace.
Eh, isa pa.
Hey,
Next
Matt,
one
peace.
is. Maliligo na ako. That's for sure.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Sabi pala yun.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Pala yan.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you guys. Merry Christmas. They're the designer for
Say,
all.
Mom, say, fuck, I forgot what that Ryan line